In this video, I'm going to show you how to display your Tripadvisor reviews on your Beaver Builder webpage in fast and responsive feeds like this. To do this, we'll be using the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. To get started, visit smashballoon.com and purchase Reviews Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Reviews Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now inside your dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Then at the top, click Upload Plugin. Upload the zip file for Reviews Feed Pro, like this. Then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Reviews Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. Now on the left-hand side, you'll find Reviews Feed. Go ahead and click on that. And at the top here, paste the license key from your Smashballoon account and click Activate. As you can see, our license key has been activated and we can begin creating our Tripadvisor Reviews feed. Click on Add New at the top. And for the first step, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click Add Source. And over here, you can see all the different source options you have with Reviews Feed Pro. You can display reviews from Google, Facebook, Tripadvisor, Yelp, Trustpilot, and WordPress.org. For this video, we want to display our Tripadvisor reviews. So let's select Tripadvisor and click Next. For step number 2, we'll have to enter our Tripadvisor API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial in the top right corner of your screen, or follow our written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, paste it here, like this, then click Next. And for step number 3, we'll have to enter the page URL for the Tripadvisor page we want to fetch our reviews from. For this demonstration, this is the page we're going to display, Bleecker Street Pizza. We have almost 2,000 reviews on Tripadvisor, and to embed this, all you have to do is copy the page URL, head back into the plugin, and paste it here like this. After that, click Finish. Now we can see Bleecker Street Pizza added as a source, and it's already selected for us. So we can click Next. Now, for the final step of creating our Tripadvisor reviews feed, all you have to do is select a template for the layout of your feed. We have options like the default, simple cards, masonry, single review, and more below. For this video, let's go with the carousel template. Once selected, click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our brand new Tripadvisor reviews feed, featuring the latest reviews from Bleecker Street Pizza. Inside each review, you can find the author name, when that review was published, the author's profile picture, the star rating that was given, and the review content as well. And because it's a carousel layout, site visitors can swipe through the reviews inside your feed by clicking on the buttons here. This makes your reviews feed really engaging because site visitors can choose how they interact with it. And inside each review, you also have a Tripadvisor icon, indicating that the review's from Tripadvisor. Our feed is now ready to be embedded inside our Beaver Builder webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Layout. Inside this menu, you can find all the different layout options you have with Reviews Feed Pro. Currently, we have the carousel layout selected, which once again allows you to swipe through the reviews inside your feed like this. Above that, we have the masonry layout. This one displays your reviews in rows and columns. And last but not least, at the top, we have the list layout. This one features your Tripadvisor reviews in a single column list. Continuing with the carousel layout, you can also choose how many reviews you want to display inside your feed initially. At the moment, we're displaying up to 9 reviews, but if you want to modify that, just enter the number of reviews you want to display. For example, let's go with 3 reviews. And straight away, you can see that our feed has updated to only display 3 reviews. We no longer have the second page of reviews, we only have 3. I'm going to change that to 5. And there we go, we now have 5 reviews inside our feed. And underneath that, you can also choose how many columns you want inside your reviews feed, on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Currently, we have 3 columns, but if you want to modify that, just change it to the number of columns you want to display. For instance, let's go with 2 columns. And just like that, we now have 2 columns instead of 3. And if you scroll down, you'll also find customization options specific to the carousel layout, such as showing navigation arrows on the left and right hand sides, and also showing pagination dots at the bottom. If you'd like to, you can hide both of these, like so, by simply deselecting it like this. Or if you want to bring that back, you can do the reverse and just select them like this. And the third option is to enable autoplay. If we enable it, the reviews inside your feed will automatically swipe through like this. But for now, I'm going to disable autoplay, and I'm pretty happy with the changes. So we can click on Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the header at the top of your feed, go into the Customize tab and click on Header. Inside this menu, you can customize the different elements inside the header, such as the heading, write a review button, and the average star rating. Each of these elements can be hidden or displayed as you wish. For example, if I wanted to hide the button, I can deselect it like this, and the button is now hidden inside the header. You can do the exact same thing with the average review rating and the heading as well. I'm going to bring those back, and if you'd like to disable the header entirely, you can just toggle it off at the top like this. But for now, I'm going to bring it back, and if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to customize the individual review cards inside your feed, under the Customize tab, click on Reviews. Next, click on Edit Individual Elements. Inside this menu, you can see all the different elements inside each review, like the author and date, the star rating, review paragraph, and images or photos if they're available. If you'd like to, you can hide any of these elements as well. For example, if I wanted to hide the rating, I can deselect it, and the rating will now be hidden inside each review. And in the same way, I can bring it back, just like this. But you might notice that the rating is now sitting at the bottom of the review. This just demonstrates that you have control over how the elements are stacked inside each review. The star rating is now at the bottom, but if you want to move it, just click and drag it to the position you want to place it in. For example, if I wanted to place it at the top, I can just drop it here, and our live preview will update to show that accordingly. We now have the star rating at the top, above the author and date. How you customize it is totally up to you. I'm going to move the author and date back to the top, and if you're happy with the changes, click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your Tripadvisor reviews feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Beaver Builder. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Select the page you want to embed your feed to, then click Add. And now on our page, we can click on Launch Beaver Builder. And now inside Beaver Builder, this is the area where we can embed our reviews feed. To embed it, click on the plus icon on the top right corner. Next, find the text editor module and place it inside your page like this. Then inside this pop-up, paste the shortcode that we copied earlier like this, and click Save. Now you can see a preview of our reviews feed inside Beaver Builder. We can now click on Done, publish the page, and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are on a live WordPress web page, and if I scroll down, we can find our brand new Tripadvisor reviews feed inside our WordPress web page. The feed looks just like how we customized inside the plugin, and it's featuring the latest reviews from Bleecker Street Pizza, which was the source that we added. Each review features the author and date, the profile picture, the star rating that was given, and the review content. And on the top right corner, we have an icon indicating that the review is from Tripadvisor, and because it's a carousel layout, we can swipe through the reviews inside the feed like this. At the top of the feed, we have a header with the average star rating, the total number of reviews, and on the right-hand side, we have a Write a Review button. If site visitors click on that will take them directly to your Tripadvisor page, making it really convenient for them to leave reviews for you directly from your WordPress website. And that's all there is to it. I hope you can see just how easy it is to create a Tripadvisor reviews feed like this for your Beaver Builder webpage using Reviews Feed Pro. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.